Shall we make and read lowercase letters of the alphabet?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job!
What alphabet shall we learn today? It's a red capsule. It's the letter D. D. Let's write along the dotted line. D. What will it be this time? It's a yellow capsule. What do you see? That's right. It's a cute panda. There's a D in the word panda. D. Panda. D. Panda. Let's color the alphabet. What do you see? It's a leopard. There is a D in the word leopard. D. Leopard. D. Leopard. What's behind the shadows? That's right. It's a cute panda. D. Panda. Guess what lies behind the shadows? What's behind the shadows? That's right. It's a leopard. D. Leopard. Let's try making the letter D. D. Today, we learned the words panda and leopard with the letter D. Great job!